Are you one of the millions struggling to find peaceful and restoring sleep in our ever-busy world? Are you looking for a remedy to your restless nights and groggy mornings? What if the secret to your best night's sleep could be found in nature's very own essence? Welcome to EcoFit Life. Today, I'll share with you the formula that will transform your night into a restorative escape and will empower you to wake up feeling rejuvenated and full of life every morning. First, I'll present to you the 3 best essential oils to improve relaxation, and later, I'll offer some practical tips on how to blend them to create a symphony of scents that will take you to the land of dreams. Stick around to discover how to change your nighttime routine for a wonderful night of sleep. Let's start by understanding the basics. How does the scent of an oil influence our sleep? When inhaled, the molecules in essential oils interact with our brain's limbic system, influencing emotions, heart rate, blood pressure, and most importantly, our sleep cycle. But it's not magic, it's science. And today, we'll explore how you can harness this natural power to enhance your nights and energize your mornings. So let's get into it. First up, lavender. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender oil is like a lullaby in a bottle. A few drops on your pillow or in a diffuser can pave the way for a serene sleep. Next, we have chamomile. Much like the tea, chamomile oil promotes relaxation and might just be your new sleep best friend, offering a gentle nudge into dreamland. And let's not forget about bergamot oil. With its citrusy yet soothing aroma, is celebrated for its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, making it a favored choice for those seeking a restful night. These oils can work wonders solo, but when combined, they become a symphony of scents that significantly enhance relaxation and improve sleep quality. So let's supercharge your experience by creating some fantastic blends. You can start with the easiest of formulas. Just mix water with a few drops of your chosen oils in a spray bottle and spray your pillow. This simple mist can transform your bed into a sleep sanctuary. You can also craft a sleep-inducing body oil. Mix jojoba oil with a few drops of each essential oil. Apply to your wrists or neck before bed and let the natural fragrances escort you to sleep. Or finally, try the following. Add 3 drops of lavender, 2 drops of chamomile, and 1 drop of bergamot to your essential oils diffuser. This recipe will help you drift away into serene slumber. With these tips, you're all set to turn your bedroom into a haven of peaceful sleep. But remember, it's about what works best for you and your body's unique needs. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, listen to your body. It knows what it needs. And hey, here's a pro tip. If you're looking for essential oils or diffusers, check out the links in the description below. I've curated a special selection just for you. If you enjoyed this aromatic adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more eco-life-enhancing tips. Share your favorite oil blends or sleep rituals in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until our next fragrant rendezvous, stay aromatic, stay curious, and as always, take care of yourself and of our beautiful planet.